Stampers, welcome to another rubber redneck video tutorial. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to make this little tea bag purse. This is the front and it uses the little tiny teacup, and then on the inside here is where the little tea bag actually slides down into. And here's a side view as well. We're going to start by creating the base of the purse. So you want to cut one piece of Whisper White cardstock at 3 inches by 6 3/4. Then you're going to score it at 3 1/4 and 3 1/2. Once you have that scored, you want to take the 3/16 corner punch and you want to round all 4 corners on the Whisper White cardstock. Then fold over on your scored lines, and then you're going to want to start decorating this before you put it all together. So pick out one side that will be your front. You're going to add your handles first onto the cardstock. So you want to cut 2 pieces of Whisper White cardstock at 1/4 inch by 6 inches. Once you have the first one cut, what you want to do is add a little bit of Tombow glue on to the cardstock, and then you're going to attach the end of the handle onto the glue and just press down. Then you're going to bend the handle around, and you want to add another little bit of glue onto the cardstock and then attach the end of your handle. And then just press down and hold it into place for a second so it bonds together very tight. Then what I did was I folded this back up, and I flipped it over to the other side and took the second handle and added my glue. And I did this so that I could get the handles lined up in the same area on both sides to make it look even. So just add your little drop of glue and add a little drop of glue on the other side, and then bend your handle around again and attach it to the Whisper White cardstock. So there's the beginning of the little tea bag purse. Now you want to cut one piece of basic black cardstock, and you want to cut that at 2 3/4 by 3 inches. Run it through the Big Shot with the Perfect Details texture plate. Cut one piece of Whisper White cardstock at 2 1/4 by 2 1/2. Apply some glue onto the back of the Whisper White, and then you're going to place this piece right in the center of your basic black cardstock. Then cut one piece of Poppy Parade cardstock at 2 inches by 2 1/4. Use the curly label punch and punch out part of a piece in Pool Party, and then add 3 holes on the little curly label with the paper piercing tool. And then you're just going to add some glue right along the edge of the Pool Party cardstock, and then you want to attach this to the back of the Poppy Parade. So I used the Whisper White cardstock here as my guide because you want the Poppy Parade to be centered, but you want the Pool Party cardstock to stay on onto the basic black cardstock. Just line everything up, and then once you have it in place, flip it over and apply some more glue onto the back of the Poppy Parade. And then you're going to attach that right to the center of that Whisper White cardstock. You then want to take the stamp, the little tiny teacup stamp, and you want to ink it in Daffodil Delight and stamp it onto a piece of Whisper White cardstock. Then punch it out with the 1 1/4 square punch, and then you're going to add some glue onto the back again, and then you'll place that right onto the Poppy Parade cardstock, and you want to place that towards the top here. Then you want to take some of the Pool Party Baker's Twine, and you're going to wrap this around 3 times around all the layers of cardstock. So just wrap it around 3 times. And then you're just going to tie a knot. And when you tie your knot, you want to take your piece of baker's twine and wrap it around all 3 layers of the baker's twine and then tie your knot. And then you want to take your scissors and just snip off the ends. And you want to snip it kind of close there because we're going to hide that